Motherfucking gay ass niggas on the players of shit tonight. Hey yo,
How are they now, Futerians? I beg, I want sharply do this thing. I see they go night class. They pasted our results yesterday, and I noticed that my GP was going down. Seriously, if they want more with serious. First of all, before I go there, 2 things they pay me for this footer. First of all, na gay party. Futerians, why? They go say party, guys 500, ladies free. You go see guys of 1,300,000, you go see just one babe. If they say dance, 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 the girl go does a dance, you go see like 500 boys go gather. Guy, do fast, make I do my own. Guy. The day where pay me pass, I don't know, say footer boys don't they twerk. Seriously, I shock. That's why I go party. That's why I see this yash, they roll. On my mind, that game, I just go rock out. As I reach there, that's why I see Sanity. Sanity don't they shake yash.
ladies and gentlemen.
I shock. Sanity say come up for our back now. Say no, say we go sort ourselves. All these guys they had their yash. May not be like say I dey lie. Me personally, let me be the best twerker for footer.
Na so. Na so.
Abi, you want confirmation?
Yes.
You want confirmation?
Yes.
DJ Slim, you get my song?
Yes, yo. Hey, yo, DJ.
DJ Slim, you get my song?
Shake body. Let's go.
All right. Watch the yash.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for MC. Movie. One time.
It's okay.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh yeah,
Drop
body.
it. Yeah. Official MC movie.
Oh yeah, shake body. Them girls just they feel me now.
Kill him.
Make some noise for MC movie. Thank you.
And the first one where they pay me. The second one where they pay me be say, Futerians not serious again. Last semester, upper semester, when they paste people results, I don't see say GP just they go down. Why? If they want me with serious, you know what they go do? They're going to put our CGPA for our ID card. And you know say, all these politicians of nowadays, anywhere where they go now, the ID card. Now time you go see say, Sanity, don't forget ID card for house. Student go ask Sanity, where your ID card? And I go say, God go punish you. You want me to know my CGPA? That will not pay me. Imagine say we won't go withdraw for ATM. As we took our ATM inside, we got that poo. Welcome. One day, Futas VP. Your CGPA is 0.5. Your account balance is 1,500 naira. If you're not careful, I'll swallow your ATM. You go see one day they talk say, guy, what you doing? I'm be Futas VP now. Imagine now, for afternoon, nobody go day bank. Go see for midnight. All these fine girls, now then they go target. Our people eating also. Then yeah, withdraw. Just put your ATM side. Boom. Good afternoon. Stella, your CGPA is 0. I know. What you lost me? Sharp for me, low me. Imagine I'm saying, now this one was pass. Where time inside campus shuttle. Shuttle go just welcome us. Welcome, Futerians. We will be conveying you from Obakekere to Obanla. Please enter according to your CGPA. Front seat, first class. Second seat, 2-1. Third seat, 2-2. Last seat, the rest. You go see queue. Go reach from Shuttle Park, reach State Line. Now only back seat go full. Front seat, nobody. People when they queue go, they complain. Come on, Lord Buruku first class, you know why wale now, come along. The one who come pay me pass. You go see all these people, all these Futasu people. Sorry, say I dey tackle you. Sanuti, go just go put front seat, sit down, boom, sit down. Shuttle go just gig am. Illegal entry. Please exit the shuttle. The guy go be like, waiting. Now me be Futasi president now. What do you mean? Shuttle go just greet him. Young man, if you don't exit, how will you pronounce your CGPA? JJ, now you go just open the door, get down. Lexi J, Woja Logba Maluro, Jare Udabo.
Jam your hands together for MC Movie. All right, ladies and gentlemen.